The contractor who was working on this deck just got fired. Let me tell you why. From a distance, you can see that the deck looks nice, but once you get closer, you will see what the mistakes are. As you can see, all these pieces look horrible, and all these nails are not the proper nails to be used for this board. And not to mention, the threads are not going over the board. That looks bad. And as you can see, this landing is not squared. Look at this piece. I didn't have to tell the owner that. The owner saw it by himself. Now, if we go to the upper level, there are so many mistakes that I don't even want to mention, like this mistake that I can show you here. They did not install this screw properly. You can see they installed it here first and then they moved it over. Now, the homeowner is left with that big hole on this post. Does not look professional. This is why it's very important to know your craft. Otherwise, you're just gonna be scamming your customers.